Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Haris Ali. I am physics teacher in Bahria College, Hanif campus. Students, I hope you will be fine. Dear students, stay home, stay safe and save lives. In this video, we are going to study lesson number 4 of chapter number 10, Simple Harmonic Motion and Waves. This lesson for class 10 Federal Board. The topic of the lesson is relation between velocity, frequency and wavelength. After this lesson, student, you will be able to understand how to derive relation V is equal to F lambda, solve problems by applying the relation V is equal to F lambda. Terms related to waves. At the start of the lesson, I will discuss some important terms related to the waves that we have studied in previous lesson. Frequency: the number of vibrations or cycles of a vibrating body in 1 second is called its frequency. How many vibrations in 1 second is called frequency. Time period: the time taken by a vibrating body to complete one vibration is called time period of vibrating body. Wavelength: the distance between two consecutive compressions or rarefactions is called wavelength of longitudinal wave. The distance between two consecutive crest or trough is called wavelength of transverse wave. Compression: a wave consists of region where the loops of the spring are close together is called compression. A wave consists of region where the loop of the spring are spaced apart is called rarefaction. Crest: the highest point of the particles of the medium from the mean position is called crest. The lowest points of the particles of the medium from the mean position is called trough. Amplitude: the maximum displacement of a vibrating body on either side from its mean position is called its amplitude. So this is the mean position and this is called amplitude. Wavefront: a surface containing points affected in the same way by a wave at a given time is called wavefront. This is the wavefront of water waves. These blue lines represent wavefront. Derivation of relation V is equal to F lambda. The relation between the velocity, frequency and wavelength of the wave is known as wave equation. Wave is a disturbance in a medium which travels from one place to another and hence a specific velocity of traveling. This is called the velocity of wave, which is defined by velocity is equal to distance divided by time. V is the symbol for velocity, D for distance and T for time. If time taken by the wave in moving from one point to another is equal to its time period t, then the distance covered by the wave will be equal to one wave will be equal to wavelength lambda. We can write above equation as V is equal to lambda upon t, because time is equal to time period, distance is equal to wavelength. This equation we can also be written as, but time period t is reciprocal of the frequency f, and frequency is the reciprocal of time period. So the above equation, this equation can also be written as v is equal to f lambda. This equation is true both for longitudinal and transverse waves. Problem related to wave equation. A wave moves on a slinky with frequency of 4 Hz and wavelength of 0.4 meter. What is the speed of the wave? Solution. We have frequency is equal to 4 Hz and wavelength is equal to 0.4 meter. Velocity is required. Formula for velocity is v is equal to f lambda. Substitute the values of given quantities. After calculation, we get answer 1.6 meter per second. This is the summary of the lesson. Frequency is the number of vibrations or cycles of a vibrating body in 1 second. The highest points and the lowest points of the particle of the medium from the mean position is called crest and trough respectively. The maximum displacement of a vibrating body on either side from its mean position is called its amplitude. A surface containing points affected in the same way by a wave at a given time is called wavefront. The relation between the velocity, frequency, and wavelength is called wave equation. That is, v is equal to f lambda. This is your home assignment. Drive a relationship between velocity, frequency, and wavelength of a wave. Write a formula relating velocity of a wave to its time period and wavelength. Question number 2. Define the following terms: compression, rarefaction, crest, trough, amplitude, and wavefront. Thanks for watching this video lesson. Allah Hafiz and take care.